why, this is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why, this is why, this is why I'm hot. I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why, this is why.
Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Teen Props. In this week's edition, we will be introducing a hot new product on the market known as Swag Chewables. Swag Chewables were created to enhance interactions between males and females, directly targeted towards teenagers. The chewables are color coordinated to enhance your swag in 5 different ways.
New York, I got it on my back. And just say that we lost it, so I'ma bring it back. I love the dirty.
The purple chewable creates an overall smoothness. This color is taken by males to enhance pickup line abilities.
So when I hit that, when I watch him get it on the floor. And if you need it hype,
man, I'm just so nervous about talking to her. I don't think I can do it.
Yeah? I'll tell you what, I got something you should try.
Dude, what is it?
Just take it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Candy.
Hey.
You a Snickers? Because you satisfy me. So can I get them digits?
Yeah, of course. There you go.
Oh, yeah. Swag.
this is why I'm hot. I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not.
The pink chewable is for our guys. It will help them really get inside of the mind of the female that they are trying to pursue.
This is why I'm hot. Catch me on the block. Every other day another person.
Hey, so that new Call of Duty comes out tonight, midnight, baby. I'm gonna run to GameStop, pick it up, play all night long. You can like sit there and watch a movie or like do homework or something. I don't care.
Okay, thanks. Sounds like a blast.
You know, actually, like that Call of Duty's not even important. Why don't we just go back and like watch a movie? You can pick and like yeah, we'll just talk all night long, okay?
Okay, that'd be
Okay.
great.
Great.
Know me, know I'm focused on my cream. Player, you come between, you better focus on the beam.
The red chewable is used for women to enhance their sexiness.
This is what I mean. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why. This is. This is why I'm hot. Shorty see the drop. Ask me what I paid and I say yeah, I paid a guap. And then I hit
The green chewable is used for both male and female to bring an energetic feel to the date.
the car. I tell them all aboard. We hit the studio, they say they like how I record.
So, how was your day?
I like your sleeves.
Okay.
Oh my god. You know what the best thing in the world is?
What?
Cheese!
No way!
Yeah!
I love cheese.
It's so good! Blue cheese, American cheese, Swiss cheese, cheddar cheese, all of it.
Feta?
Yeah. You wanna go to Wisconsin?
Yeah,
Let's go.
This is why I'm hot. This is why. This is why. This is why I'm hot.
Our last chewable featured is for our girls. It will help them really get inside of the mind of the male that they are trying to pursue.
Cause you not. This is why. This is why. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot cause I'm fly.
Do you want to go shopping with me this weekend? I need to get new boots.
Okay, I'm kind of busy, sorry.
Actually, I have tickets to the Ohio State Michigan game. Do you want to come with me?
Yeah, sure, that'd be awesome.
Okay, I'll pick you up at 6.
Sounds good, see you then.
See you then.
Soon as I hit the club, but in the Midwest, they love to take it slow. So when I hit that, I watch them get it on the floor. And if you need